Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So today we're going to make a scrambled egg, but before that we're gonna pick some green onions in our little garden because we're gonna put some green onions in our scrambled egg. So I'm here outside of my house, I'm here in my little garden, and then we're gonna pick some green onions. This is our little garden, so we have a green onions now, so we're gonna pick this one. I don't have a scissors, but I'm just gonna pick this, and then we have to put this in our scrambled egg. So we're done picking green onions. This is all I want. I don't want to pick all of it. Okay, so our green onion is clean and chopped up, and also we're gonna cook 2 eggs. We're gonna make scrambled egg, and then we're gonna mix it with cheese. So we're gonna scramble our egg. I'm gonna whisk it with black pepper, a pinch of salt, and then we're just gonna whisk it like that. We're gonna put a teaspoon of butter in our pan. We're gonna cook a little bit our green onion, because this is for my husband and he doesn't like stuff with this scrambled egg, so I make sure that this is cooked. We're gonna pour the egg. We're gonna flip it. We're gonna put a little bit of cheese, and now I flip the egg, and there's a cheese inside it. So there you go guys, our egg omelet with salsa. So I just buy some homemade salsa, mild Cantana style salsa. Thank you so much guys for watching.